Alright guys, welcome back to a new Slick2D tutorial. In this tutorial we're making a string inventory, not a GUI, just a regular string inventory just because I want to show you how to make one. And an actual GUI inventory will take way too long to do right now. Eventually we might make it, but for now, let's just do a string inventory. So what you want to do is you want to go to your render method right here, and we're going to make a drawString. G.drawString. And we're going to draw something called inventory string. And we're going to place it at 5020. Obviously, we haven't made the inventory string yet, but we will in just a minute. Hold on, let me just get some water. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to make a new class. We're going to call this class inventory. Inside inventory, we are going to create something called public void, or no, let's just make a list. So string, right? So we're doing string, or no, sorry, list string. We'll call this inv is equal to new array list string parentheses close bracket, import the Java util and the array list from Java util. Now what we can do is we can create a public void item1, and this is going to be how we make items. I'll show you what we're actually going to do for this next episode or whatever. But in this, we are just going to put string, or no, let's not create an item right now. Right now, we are just going to create this. And now what we're going to do, back to our world map, and we need to put up here. We'll do, or no, I'll do it right here. So do string, or string, and we'll call this inventory string is equal to inventory dot inv dot to string. Change in, we actually make this static. I forgot about that. I'll actually do public static, even though it's not necessary. But we want this to be recognized. So there we go. So now it'll be drawing whatever is in here, which means we actually need to add it now. So in the update method, we have to do, what are we going to do in here? First of all, we have to do if key is down. So where does this end here? This ends here. This ends here. So if input dot is key down. Actually, no, we'll do this now. So if input dot is key down, input dot key underscore I, then what we are going to do is we are going to set show inv equal to true. Is key, actually, let's do is key pressed, and then if this is true, so if it's true, actually let's do this, if it's true, yeah, if it's true, then we're going to set it back to false. And but if show in is equal to false, then we're going to set it to true. Basically, this is how we're going to turn it on and off. Now back up at the top, we need to create a new boolean. We'll actually create it right here. Boolean show inv. First of all, we're always going to set it to false first. So there you go. So now we're back to render method, and now where it says the g.drawString, if showInv is equal to true, we are going to show it. So now we need to create in the update method. We should just say something simple like let's put this stuff at the top. Say if input. This is only for now. Dot is key down, or is key pressed. Let's do is key pressed. Let's say input dot, or no, input dot key P. That's all we're gonna do for now. So if you press P, we're going to inventory dot inv, because that's the list, dot add, and we're just going to add something called item 1 to it. Did I do something wrong in here? Oh, this can't be capitalized. There we go. So there we go. So if I did this right, which I'm not 100% sure about, but if I'm not missing any steps, we should be able to add item 1. So now we're in the game. Now if we hit I, it shows our list there. We hit I again, it's not actually closing it. Oh, I know why. I can fix that in just a second. But if we hit P, as you can see, item 1 is added. But we don't want it to do that. So, and we say if. Oh, so here's what we do. So if we're going to call this item 1, or actually, we'll go over that next episode. Next episode, we'll go over that. But we do need to fix, however, that other part. So where it says I, if instead of, wait. Hold on, let me think here. So opening it to I, and then let me try something. So if we actually have our list like here, it doesn't close now. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is we're just going to set this to say, if you press I, it's going to set it true. Where is that going to? I'm confused. What did I just deleted something, I think, that I didn't want to. Okay, and then that goes to here. So we're just going to set showInv equal to true if you press that. And then we're just going to copy this. And then if you press, let's just say if you press E. Or no. If you press O. So if you press O, then it's going to set it back to false. So let's see if this works if I just completely mess something up. I to open, O to close. So there we go. We'll fix the other, we'll actually make that a little bit better later. But for now, that works. And we hit P, we can get our items. And so yeah, we're going to go over items next episode, how to make an item and stuff like that. But yeah, thanks for watching.